Listen to the questions and then answer by speaking out loudly. Where did you go for lunch today? Where do you usually eat? Where do you relax at home? Where do you shop for groceries? Where do you spend your weekends? Where do you plan to travel next? Where do you get travel ideas? Where do you keep your travel photos? How many books do you have? Do you have a pet dog? Can you cook pasta? Where is the library? How old is your brother? Do you watch TV in the evening? What do you do on weekends? What do you like to eat for lunch? What is your name? How do you feel today? Can you ride a bike? Where do you go to school? Do you like ice cream? What is your favorite sport? Can you play the guitar? Where is your house? What is your favorite color? Can you draw a picture? Where are your shoes? How do you go to school? What sport do you enjoy playing? Do you like to exercise regularly? Why is the sky so clear today? Why did you text me at 1 a.m.? Why are you saving so much? That's exciting. How's it going? Do you have a specific car in mind? Have you set a budget? Are you saving monthly? That's a solid plan. You'll get there. Keep it up. Why are you looking so stressed? That's a big task. Have you applied for scholarships? What about financial aid? Are you planning to work? That'll help with expenses. You'll manage. Just stay organized. Anytime. You've got this. Which book do you want to read?
I'd like to read the mystery novel.
Which restaurant shall we go to?
How about the Italian one?
Which team are you supporting?
I'm cheering for the home team.
Which dessert did you order?
I went for the chocolate cake.
Which song is your favorite?
I love the new pop hit.
Which color do you prefer?
I like the blue one best.
Which jacket should I wear?
The red one looks great on you.
Which time works best for you?
Evening is perfect.
Which train do we need to catch?
The one at 3 p.m.
What's your name?
My name is Amelia.
How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
What do you do?
I work as a marketing intern.
Do you like sports?
Yes. I love playing football.
Can you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Portuguese.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister.
What's your favorite season?
Spring is my favorite season.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love reading biographies.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How was your day?
It was nice.
How's everything?
Everything is fine.
How have you been?
I've been well.
How's it going?
It's going great.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Where do you work?
I work in a bank.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
Do you get enough sleep?
Yes, I try to sleep 8 hours a night.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, especially mystery novels.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I find it convenient.
What's your name? Hi, I'm Sarah. What about you? I'm Sophia. Nice to meet you, Sarah. How old are you? I'm 28 years old. How about you? I'm 26 years old. Where are you from? I am from Australia. And you? I'm from the United States. What do you do for a living? I work as a software engineer. Are you into sports? Yes, I love playing tennis. Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I speak French fluently. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 2 sisters. What about you? I have a younger brother. Is that you, Sophia?
Emma, it's been ages.
How have you been doing?
Busy but good. How about you?
Same here. Work's been crazy.
Any new hobbies?
I've started painting. You?
Picked up hiking? It's been fun.
Where do you hike?
Mostly local trails. It's a great escape.
I bet. Painting's been my escape.
What do you like to paint?
Landscapes mostly. It's so relaxing.
We should catch up more often.
Definitely. Coffee next week?
Sounds perfect. Let's do it.
Deal. Great seeing you, Emma.
You too, Sophia. Take care.
Whose phone is this on the table?
It's mine. I left it there earlier.
Whose jacket is hanging by the door?
That's my brother's. He forgot it.
Whose car is parked outside?
It's our neighbor's car.
Whose book are you reading?
I'm reading Sarah's novel.
Whose dog is barking outside?
That's the miller's dog.
Whose keys did you find?
They belong to my sister.
Whose idea was it to go hiking?
It was Rachel's idea.
Whose turn is it to cook dinner?
It's my turn tonight.
Whose shoes are these in the hallway?
They are my dad's shoes.
Have you tried that new cafe downtown?
Yes, I went there last week.
I've heard so much about their croissants. Were they good?
They were amazing. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside.
Maybe we can go together sometime?
That sounds like a plan. How about Thursday after work?
Thursday works for me. We can unwind after a long day.
Perfect. They also have a great selection of teas.
I'm a tea person too. I can't wait.
This will be a nice little midweek treat.
Definitely. It's always nice to catch up over good food and drinks. Do you have any new hobbies?
Yes, I've started painting.
That's cool. What do you paint?
Mostly landscapes.
What got you into painting?
I wanted to try something creative.
What materials do you use?
Acrylic paints and canvases.
How often do you paint?
Whenever I have free time.
Have you finished any work?
Yes, I have a few completed pieces.
Do you display them anywhere?
I'm just in my room for now.
I'd love to see your paintings sometime. What's your favorite store?
I like small boutique shops.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Italy.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast.
What's your dream destination?
I'd love to visit Japan.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Absolutely. I love exploring new cultures.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I find them cozy.
Is it snowing where you are?
No, it's just cold here.
What are your hobbies?
I love painting and reading.
Do you have more than one hobby?
Yes, I also like hiking.
How was your vacation? It was very fun.
Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
Who did you go with?
I went with my father and mother.
Do you have a house at the beach?
No, we stayed at a hotel.
Have you stayed there before?
Yes, we've been going there for years.
Must be very nice.
Yes, it's amazing and not too expensive.
Do you play in the water?
Yes, I went swimming.
What do your mother and father like to do?
They like to eat in restaurants.